I'm Tim Barkley with Charleston Home and Design Magazine and talking about a home show on the radio. And we are celebrating under the stars and on the red carpet here at historic Middleton Plantation for the AIA Charleston 2010 Design Awards. And we are talking with a big group of people from Meadors Inc. Who have submitted several projects tonight. And in particular, we're going to be talking with Becky Fenno. How you doing, Becky?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Tell our listeners and viewers about the project or projects that you have up for an award tonight.
Well, we submitted 3 projects. 2 were historic preservation projects, and they are right in the heart of downtown Charleston at 93 and 97 Broad Street. And the 3rd project is also on the edge of downtown Charleston. It was the renovation and new construction at the Navy degaussing station on Concord Street, right on the waterfront.
Well, that's great. Well, could you or one of your associates tell us a little bit more about each of those projects?
That would be great. Actually, I'm going to pass to Fillmore Wilson to say a few words about 93 and 97 Broad Street. Okay.
Let me run over here. All right.
Okay. The 2 Broad Street projects, 97 Broad Street is an 1830 single house, and 93 Broad Street is a 1783 Georgian. And both of them were in substantially deteriorated condition, and we restored them both initially for use as commercial properties. And 93 Broad Street subsequently sold as a residential property, and it has been converted into a residential property. At 93 Broad Street, we recreated the hyphen and the back building, both of which had been demolished in the 1980s. And we recreated them based on the historical evidence and photographs that we had, so that they are new constructions but look the same as the original buildings. The front building, which was the original 1783 building, we restored back to the interior had a substantial restoration around the 1840s, about 1846, and we restored the interior of that to the original 1846 condition.
That's interesting. Now, are all of you folks here at Meadors architects, or are some of you builders as well?
I'm on the construction side.
Okay. I build architectural scale models and do some designing as well, but we have an in-house model building capability.
I do special projects, which means I get to do lots of different kinds of things.
Wonderful.
I'm one of the architects.
I'm with the architecture department.
Great, great. Well, how about that residential project at the end of Concord Street? Who would like to talk about that?
A little bit about that. That's just an unbelievable project. Partly starting with the client, Tony and Linda Backer were just wonderful individuals to work with, and purchased the Navy degaussing site. And what went on at that site, there was actually a Navy building sitting out on a platform over the water, and we renovated that to be a residence. And then we created a second house on the property that's a guest house, which was really meant to look like a house that had been in that area on the land, right on the water, forever and ever. So that was really the approach to that project. The client also is extremely interested in sustainability, so those projects are at platinum and gold on the Lead for Homes program. So it's just a great opportunity to really press the forefront of sustainability on those projects. They actually had the first solar panels in downtown Charleston, so we're very excited about that.
Well, that's fantastic. Well, good luck tonight for the projects that you have up for awards, and I'm grateful that you came over to talk with us here. And we have been talking with the folks at Meadors Inc. about 3 projects that they have submitted at the 2010 AIA Charleston Design Awards. And good luck, folks.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.